Hey everyone, today's Maker Academy news is packed with tech stories. We've got robotics, brain chips, AI, all in one episode. Let's dive in. So get this, future Neuralink patients might get robot superpowers. Would you put a chip in your brain for that? Elon Musk's robot is gearing up for its second patient. We've covered this before. Check out our YouTube for more. They've already put a chip in someone's brain. The guy was playing video games like Professor Xavier, controlling it with just his mind. Elon Musk's new humanoid robot with mind-blowing autonomous functions is set to be smarter than Star Wars C-3PO and shake up industries worldwide. So which of these stories blew your mind? What caught your attention the most? Elon Musk claims future Neuralink patients might gain robot-like superpowers. During a live stream on the platform formerly known as Twitter this week, Neuralink CEO Elon Musk hinted at the future of his company's brain implant system. He revealed that a second patient might undergo implant surgery in the coming weeks, building on insights gained from the first Neuralink patient who received implants earlier this year. As I mentioned, after watching this video, check it out on YouTube. You'll be amazed. To kick things off, let me know in the comments if you think brain implants will actually give us superpowers one day. And if that turns out to be true, would you consider getting one implanted in your head? I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and share the video. There's a little button right there. Click it to generate a shareable link. Share this in your WhatsApp and Telegram groups. As this channel grows, I can invest more time and bring you more videos. Thank you so much, and an even bigger thanks to those who are already doing this. Neuralink has sparked a lot of curiosity and controversy since its unveiling in 2019, including questions about the animal experiments conducted in the early stages of developing the device, which is designed to help paralyzed individuals regain some level of mobility. The Neuralink system involves inserting electrodes into the patient's brain tissue. These electrodes decode signals from the brain and translate them into commands for real-world devices. The first human patient, 29-year-old Nolan Albach, received his implant in January and quickly showed he could control a laptop using just his mind, kind of like Professor X from X-Men. Although this initial implant was only connected to a computer and not to other devices like an electric wheelchair or other hardware that could help Nolan interact with physical objects, was proof that the concept works. This even allowed Nolan to use his mind control abilities for entertainment purposes, like playing games. I saw him playing Mario Kart with his mind. In May, Neuralink announced during a live stream that they were looking for 3 new patients for the next trial, but they also mentioned that the second implantation was scheduled to happen in the next week or so. He also suggested that the company expects to implant the device in a high number of patients this year, indicating that Neuralink is speeding up its development. This is typical of Elon Musk's business practices, especially with the startup mentality. What is the startup mentality? Move fast and break things, as demonstrated by SpaceX, which launches experimental rockets and learns from failures. Musk also addressed the issues encountered with Nolan's brain implant. Some of the electrode wires inserted into his brain retracted after surgery, shifting away from critical brain areas where they need to be to capture the correct signals. Critics claim this problem had been known for years. Elon Musk confirmed that only about 15% of Nolan's wire data channels were functioning, but emphasized that the system adapted, allowing him to still control his computer. To prevent similar issues in the future, once again adopting the business approach of move fast, Elon Musk says new wires will be implanted deeper into the brain and will feature a new design with fewer electrodes per wire, but more wires overall. In other words, fewer electrodes per wire, but with more wires in total. Even the surgical procedure for implanting the device is changing, with a different skull sculpting technique to reduce the space under the implant and hopefully minimize wire retraction, according to CNBC. An excellent next experimental phase for a medical technology startup, Elon Musk also used the live stream to discuss the future of brain implant technology, adding some futuristic touches to the design. Looking ahead, Elon Musk envisions NEURALINK being capable of controlling much more than just a laptop, stating that it will be possible to implant robotic limbs derived from Tesla's humanoid robot Optimus, giving more freedom to people who have lost body parts and even providing cyborg-like superpowers. Business Insider reported that Musk addressed some bizarre conspiracy theories about implant experiments, emphasizing that only volunteers have been involved in testing so far. He stated that if people want to use brain implants to address the concern of thinking they have a chip in their brain, then we'll be able to help with that. I keep thinking, because it's like this. One thing is using this implant for people with paralysis, so they genuinely need it. But now if wealthy people come along and say, oh, I want... Like the person isn't blind, but they want to add Zoom capability here. They want to put in a chip to access ChatGPT so they don't need to pick up their phone anymore. They think, and thinking is the same as me typing and asking ChatGPT, I think, and ChatGPT immediately responds in my head. So in theory, there's no paralysis, no problem, no disability, but I want to become a superhuman. Will it go down that path too? Comment below. It's bizarre and vaguely unsettling in my opinion, but for better or worse, that's typically how it goes. Elon Musk, with all these new developments about NEURALINK, it's fascinating to think about the future of brain implant technology and how it can transform lives. Imagine a world where people with paralysis can regain mobility or control devices using just their minds. Despite initial challenges like issues with wire retraction, the rapid progress and innovation of Musk's implant make us believe we're on the brink of a medical revolution. We'd love to hear your thoughts. How far do you think this technology can go? Do you think we're ready for this new era? Share your opinions in the comments section below and let's discuss this together. If you found this news interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Elon Musk's NEURALINK is gearing up to implant a chip in the brain of their second human patient. Elon Musk's brain implant company, NEURALINK, is promising people cybernetic superpowers, allowing them to control robots with their minds. Musk made this futuristic prediction last week while updating the company's progress and announcing plans to implant a second human patient next week. To kick things off, let us know in the comments if you believe Elon Musk's NEURALINK will truly revolutionize medicine and technology in the future. We're curious to hear your thoughts, and I also want to know, would you put a chip in your brain to gain superpowers? Leave your comments below. Elon Musk has stated that cybernetic superpowers are likely to emerge in the future. He suggested that in the future, people with NEURALINK's brain-computer interface devices could move prosthetic limbs faster than they could before losing their original limbs. What if you could just think about it and automatically you'd subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and even press share and share these links in WhatsApp and Telegram groups. Right now, you have to pick up your phone and press the button, even though it's free and quick. But imagine in the future, you could do all this just by thinking about it. We're not there yet, so use your finger for now, okay? But let's move on. Let's continue. This statement wrapped up a series of tweets about NEURALINK's future plans, which Musk says include treating epilepsy and completely curing paralysis. Musk described paralysis as a challenging problem, but one that's ultimately solvable. In the future, users will be able to control Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, with their thoughts using NEURALINK's device. Musk stated that this device could be available for sale as early as the end of next year, and predicts it will transform the electric car manufacturer into a $25 trillion company. Doubting Elon Musk, are you? He might miss deadlines. Sometimes things take a bit longer, but the guy always delivers. These predictions came after a rare update from Musk and Neuralink executives on the company's progress during a live stream on X. Musk revealed that Neuralink plans to surgically implant its experimental brain chip in a second patient within the next week, despite having encountered issues with the first patient's hardware, whose device partially separated from the brain a few weeks after surgery. He expects the number of participants testing the device to reach double digits by the end of this year. Musk explained that Neuralink is taking steps to reduce the risk of the implant retracting from the brain, as occurred with the first patient. These measures include sculpting the skull to help the device fit better, inserting wires deeper into the brain, and removing air pockets left inside the skull after surgery. The company is also developing an improved device that could double the bandwidth offered by the current model. Many of Elon Musk's predictions and updates should be taken with a healthy dose of skepticism. He's known for his hyperbolic and often overly optimistic predictions about the future of humanity, technology, and the companies he leads. Many of his previous predictions have fallen far short of reality. Timelines and more advanced applications of technology still in early stages, like brain-computer interface implants, robotics, and fully autonomous vehicles, have been particular sticking points for Musk in the past. While controlling a robotic limb with superhuman speed or operating Optimus with thought is theoretically possible, it's still very far off in the future, especially when it comes to enhancing healthy individuals rather than for medical treatment. I believe it starts with a noble goal, which is curing paralysis, but then you'll have millionaires who want to see better, be stronger, do things with their thoughts, access ChatGPT with their brain, or control the TV, even if they have no health issues. Don't you think people will want to control the TV or the computer mouse without using a remote or actually touching anything? I believe it's going to move in that direction because, let's face it, money runs the world. Elon Musk's belief that Neuralink will help humans merge with AI is also a far-off possibility. Even for near-term applications like treating or curing paralysis, restoring sight to the blind, or managing other neurological conditions such as epilepsy, it's crucial to remember that Neuralink's technology is still in the experimental stage and has only been approved for use in closely monitored clinical trials. Even if everything goes according to plan for Neuralink's trials, which is far from guaranteed, the commercial launch for limited use as medical devices will likely take years. Experts told Forbes that the company's lack of transparency makes it difficult to assess how Neuralink's technology is developing and performing in the real world. Updates are often selective, limited in scope, and sparsely delivered through Elon Musk's live streams and tweets. What should we be looking at now? Elon Musk has claimed that Neuralink's brain chip could be more efficient and powerful than the current model. He mentioned that the number of wires inserted into the brain will increase from 64 to 128. Each wire will have half the number of electrodes, going from 16 to 8. This change can increase the device's efficiency as long as the wires are well placed in the brain. Elon Musk hasn't given us a timeline for when this new device will be ready for human trials or what Neuralink's next steps are with this technology. Folks, considering everything we've discussed about Neuralink and Elon Musk's promises, it's clear to me that we're looking at a technology with incredible potential, but one that still has many hurdles to overcome. It's exciting to imagine a future where we can control robots with our minds or treat serious neurological conditions. But we need to keep a realistic perspective on how long it'll take for these innovations to become a reality. I'd love to hear what you think. So, do you believe Neuralink will revolutionize medicine and technology like Elon Musk claims? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this news interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, all right? Lamont's new humanoid robot with astonishing autonomous capabilities promises to be smarter than Star Wars C-3PO and revolutionize industries worldwide. Lamont, renowned for his groundbreaking innovations, is set to change the world once again with Tesla's Optimus robot. Promising to transform how we perform everyday and industrial tasks, Optimus isn't just a technological advancement, but a genuine leap into the future of automation and artificial intelligence. To kick things off, let me know in the comments below if you believe Tesla's Optimus robot can truly revolutionize our daily lives and industries as radically as promised. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that share button. With Tesla heavily investing in its development and integration into factories, we're on the brink of witnessing a new era of robotics that promises to be as friendly as Star Wars C-3PO, but infinitely more functional. Let's explore how this humanoid robot could revolutionize our daily lives and what promises it holds for the coming years. After that, I'll show you a video of Optimus in action. The Optimus robot developed by Tesla has the potential to revolutionize industry with its ability to automate complex tasks. Since Tesla's initial announcement at AI Day 2021 and the unveiling of a prototype at AI Day 2022, this innovative project has been steadily becoming a concrete reality, with Tesla investing heavily in its development. Currently, Tesla is actively recruiting engineers, managers, and architects to join the Optimus team. This commitment is evident from the android's profile on the X platform, highlighting the company's serious intention to push forward with the project. Elon Musk revealed that 2 Optimus models are already operating autonomously in one of Tesla's factories. This significant breakthrough demonstrates the successful integration of this technology into real-world production environments. Let's take a look at this video. It's really impressive. Let's check it out. Let's hit play, and you can comment as we go. We'll mute the sound since it's not important. All right, here we go. Let's see what it's doing. There it is, folding the shirt. Just look at how delicate its fingers are. Wow, that's what's so impressive. You've seen those videos too, right? The ones where they're picking up eggs and cracking them. It's sensational. This is the real deal. This is what it's all about. You need one of these at home for cleaning the bathroom, cooking, making the bed, doing laundry, folding clothes. It's really great. Check this out. Let's see if it does anything else. It's folding here. Let's watch. Great. Is it just going to keep folding clothes? Is it really just going to fold laundry? Here's another video. Folks, let's put this one on. Apparently, it's handling some radioactive substance that could contaminate the entire city if it spills. Very Simpsons-like. But look how cool this is. It's really futuristic. You could use it to pour Coca-Cola now. Very cool, really interesting. This is the camera acting as the robot's eyes. Look how neat that is. Very good, really impressive. The delicacy, that's the key feature. Oops, it made a mistake. Pretty interesting stuff. These are professionals who train the movements. It's not a trick or anything like that. First, they train the movement and then they let it perform on its own. This is the best way, the fastest and most accurate method to get them to learn, so to speak. It's really quite fascinating. Let's see if there's another video here. Here we have a video of him walking around Tesla. Check out the Cybertruck over there. It's really interesting. Comment below if you'd like to have one of these. This one is more for the factory, right? I'd love to have one for my house. Look there. It's doing Pilates. It's meant to strengthen the muscles. Pretty cool, right? Wouldn't you want one of these to cook in your home or to wake up to that hotel-style breakfast? What do you think? Moving on, folks, some of the expected features for the Optimus include friendly and safe, designed to be controlled at all times, and equipped with advanced technology and artificial intelligence, using deep learning similar to Tesla's autonomous vehicles with the ability to learn and adapt to perform complex tasks. Lomansky believes that Optimus will be as friendly as our beloved Star Wars robot, but much more intelligent, capable of performing various household tasks, including taking care of young children, like an efficient nanny. So, would you leave your child with a robot like this? Comment below. Beyond its use in factories and homes, Lemansky envisions a future where Optimus will play a crucial role in space colonization, supporting Tesla's vision of expanding humanity beyond Earth, Star Wars style. What will be the price of Optimus? The business around Optimus has the potential to be much more valuable than Tesla's car business, being a key piece in the company's future and redefining our daily interaction with technology. Lemansky indicated that the robot's cost will be significantly lower than a car's, possibly under $20,000, depending on each model's features and capabilities. It'll be like the iPhone lineup. You'll have a standard model, a Plus, a Max, a Pro Max, and so on. The robot might even be able to fly. This initial price point reflects Tesla's ambition to make cutting-edge technology accessible to everyone. Moreover, there might be leasing options available for those interested in getting their hands on Optimo, maybe even a rental option. While the exact launch date hasn't been confirmed yet, it's estimated to happen between 2028 and 2030. However, LifeWire estimates suggest the launch could take place in the second half of 2025. That might seem incredibly soon, but Tesla has a track record of quickly turning their visions into reality, taking into account all the information we've discussed. In my opinion, it's clear that Tesla's Optimus isn't just another technological innovation, but a true revolution in automation and artificial intelligence. With the promise of being smarter than the little robot from Star Wars, Optimus won't just transform our daily lives and industry, but will also open doors to new possibilities, including space colonization. Lemansky's vision for Optimus, with an affordable price and leasing and subscription options, makes this advanced technology more accessible to everyone. I want to know what you guys think. What do you make of this development? Would you buy one? Would you let it do your drooling for you? Would you let it replace your cook? Would you let it replace your housekeeper? Leave your comments below. If you found this news interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, okay?